Today we're unboxing this 1/16 scale monster truck from Haiboxing. There it is. Comes with the truck.
That is cool.
Comes with the instructions. Is it tied down? Nope, there it is. Man, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's kind of a fun looking truck. Look, comes with the battery.
Nice.
Battery with the Dean's connector already on it. Some tie straps, some extra wire. Parts list. That is assembly diagrams and parts list. That is awesome.
My controller.
Oh, you can put stickers on it. Look, like it has the grill sticker. You can put some fun faces on it. You can put 4x4 racing truck on the side. I got the body off, and check that out. It actually comes with a whole nother battery. So we have 2 batteries to start with. But it does come with Dean's, which means you can fit almost any aftermarket battery in this. We were looking at this. This is actually the LED kit that comes with it. So it has the wiring harness and everything. So this little plug would go right in here, and then you can snake the LEDs up so that you actually have LED lights in the front. We'll have overall looking pretty dang good straight out of the box.
Woohoo! This thing's shiny.
No, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? It's a pretty fun little design.
Hey, your lights are on.
Alright, truck is on. Steering works. Oh, look at our headlights installed. What? So it has a speed switch on the top here, so we can turn it all the way down. That's full speed. Now, Logan, will you start turning it up? Keep going. Crank it. So look, you can actually literally, yep. You can limit the full speed of the vehicle just by the switch on the top of the controller, which is great for beginners and things like that. So some other things to note about this truck. A lot of folks will say, well, like, is it really hobby grade? Well, a couple of things that people normally judge of, like, is a truck hobby grade is, does it have replacement parts? Can you replace the components? That kind of thing. And this truck comes with a whole host of optional upgrade parts that you can get, and part of what's in the box is this whole manual that shows all of the parts. So in theory, yes, you can, if you break something, get the parts to fix this truck. And as an example of this, I just randomly picked a couple parts. I picked the front bumper assembly, I picked the speed control, and I picked the wheels and tires. Searched just this part number that's listed here on Amazon, and 2 of the 3 came up. I was able to get the bumper, I was able to get the tires and wheels. Look at that. There is, I'm guessing, 2 of the tires and wheels for $7 on Amazon as it sits right now. So definitely you can get the spare parts, and that is good. Now, obviously, you know, at the price point that this truck's coming in at, you're not getting all the full features just out of the box. I mean, it has suspension on it, yes, but of course it is non-oil filled dampers. You can see there's no there's no dampening there whatsoever. It is just a spring. Of course, everything's plastic. The ESC is a ESC and receiver combo in one, a 5-wire servo. You'd have to get the factory replacement servo to put back in it. You can't just upgrade to a standard hobby 3-wire. If this ESC or receiver goes bad, you're probably looking at buying a whole ESC and receiver and transmitter combo with the servo. You're probably looking at replacing all the electronics in the truck. Can be done relatively cheaply, but it's just something to be considerate of, right? The other thing you'll notice in this is all the screws in it are Phillips. Does that make it actually pretty easy to work on for the entry-level enthusiast who probably has a Phillips screwdriver around somewhere? Yes. Is it going to be great for those of us who would really rather have the hex hardware? No, it's not. But, you know, it's definitely workable. It is definitely doable in that. Oh, hey, it'll slide around in the garage. That's pretty fun. Huh? right, so one of the big tests of a vehicle like this is in the grass, because it's only 16th scale, right? So even 2-3 inch tall blade of grass is very, very big for this vehicle. And I haven't mowed my grass because I've been lazy. So this is going to be an interesting test to see how this thing does. Oh, and we crashed. At this point, we have put somewhere around, I'd say 6 or 7 battery packs through this thing. Batteries have been good. We have not broken the truck at all. We've taken it off some jumps. It's got some scratches and everything because it has been tumbled. But really, because this thing weighs so little and it's made out of so much just flexi plastic, so far it's just kind of taken the beating. It's taken the damage. It's gone on. We've had no issues with it whatsoever. I mean, really, at the end of the day, this thing's been pretty good for what we're doing here. Pretty happy with it so far. For the price of this vehicle, it's actually pretty good. I was surprised, James, how well it did in the grass.
And in the crawler course.
And in the crawler course. Like, both places, it actually did pretty good, especially when you consider, like, the price of this vehicle. So, man, I don't know. I think it's pretty good. You know, one of the things that I've always struggled with is we're obviously super into the RC hobby. And when we want to, like, say we have a friend who's getting a birthday or something, we can't get them a, like, $300 or $400 RC car as a birthday gift. Like, that's not okay. But I want to be able to share the hobby of RC with people without getting them, like, a $40 or $50 junk toy from Walmart, but without spending $300 or $400. This one sits right in that middle where, like, I could give this to somebody as a gift and feel good about it. It's a fun vehicle, comes with everything that you need out of the box. Like, I don't know, I'm pretty happy with it, James. What do you think? Would you give it to somebody?
Maybe, because it's awesome.
It's pretty fun. You like it? All right, cool. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to post them down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. Come over here, check out some other videos and other stuff that we have going on, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.